This is Bay 89.5. We're not known for being scary. We're one cool music station. Oh.
89.5 Subic Bay Radio, that's correct. Not known for being scary. If you're a bit scared, it's not our fault. Maybe you have an over-imaginative imagination. Welcome, people, the Morning Brew Show. You're with DJ Tommy G, 11:10 on the dot. Time check brought to you by Royal Duty Free. Hey, check out the times 2 double the points promo on Fresh Fridays at Royal Duty Free. Just purchase on the fresh section. Meats, pastries, vegetables, fruits, what else? Fish, and a whole lot more. Basta fresh. At the fresh section, double the points on your RPC points. Okay, check out the social media pages and, of course, the official website, www.royalsubic.com, for more inquiries and to keep you updated as well. Okay. Oh, by the way, the official website, that's where the catalog is always posted, www.royalsubic.com. And time for me to give you the famous people celebrating their birthdays today. Alam mo na yan, famous birthdays, okay? Kapag birthday mo tapos Facebook friend kita, kasama ka sa famous birthdays. Famous! Una muna, batiin ko muna yung mga kaibigan ko. Kasama sa mga famous itong mga to, syempre. In my heart. Alright? Happy birthday muna to our dear Civil Service Commission CSC Bulacan Field Office Director Dulce J. Cochon. Alright, Madam Dulce, happy birthday sa'yo, ha? Maligayang bati. Happy na birthday pa. Okay, happy birthday po, Madam. Kamusta ka na? It's been a long time since the last time I saw them, sila Madam Dulce and the rest of the officials of Civil Service Commission was they had their sports fest here at the Subic Bay Freeport. I think it was over a year ago. Alright? Next up, we have Ate Michelle Santos. Happy birthday to you. She is one of today's birthday celebrants, my golden friends. All right, golden friends talaga. Kasama sa golden friends ko si Ate Irene Lacuna. Irene Lacuna, happy birthday to you na nag-e-enjoy masyado sa buhay sa kanyang apo because of her apo. All right. Congratulations on your bundle of joy. All right. Happy birthday, Irene, ha? You know I love you, right? Okay? And si Ate Caroline Campo rin. Ayan. Isa rin sa ano yan. You know I love you, right? Ayan. This beautiful women that I'm mentioning the names of and having their birthdays are batchmates of mine. Ayan. Kaya we go way back. Ayan. Okay? And isa pa, kasama din si Ate Pearl Oliver. Pearly. Ayan. Happy birthday, ha? Ate Pearl. I think we were classmates back in, if I remember it right, second year high school. Yata, I don't know. Tagal na, no? We go way back. Okay, so there you have it. Celebrities and the likes. Ito naman yung mga celebrities talaga na sila yung the likes. Ito yung mga celebrities na nagbe-birthday ngayon. One of them includes Jimmy Santos. Okay. Basketball player, TV actor, comedian, basketball and artista. Diyan umiikot yung mundo ng Pinoys daw. PBA. Pinoy, politika, basketball, artista. October 8, 1951, si Kuya Jimmy Saints, as they call him. Next up, we have Bruno Mars. Happy birthday to Bruno Mars, October 8, 1985. And Bella Thorne, Hollywood actress Bella Thorne, October 8, 1997. Nick Cannon, TV actor and singer and rapper. All right, October 8, 1980. Movie actor Matt Damon. All right, Mr. Jason Bourne was born October 8, 1970. Gordon Cormier, you probably remember him as Aang. You guys remember Aang? Siya si The Last Airbender. All right, that's him. Si Aang. He played the Last Airbender. Okay. Next up, we have Percy Hines White, who was in the Netflix series Wednesday. He played the role of Saber Thorpe. All right. Next up, we have Sigourney Weaver. She will forever be known as the antagonist of Aliens. Oh, kalaban na. Siya yung kalaban ng kalaban. The Alien film franchise. All right? And she was also Dr. Grace in Avatar. Okay? And next up we have movie actor Chevy Chase. Happy birthday. October 8, 1943 turns. Wow, 81 today, huh? All right? I love the movie Caddyshack. I'm a big fan of that movie. And Chevy Chase is in that movie, of course, among the stars there. So there you have it, celebrities and the like, celebrating their birthdays today. October 8, birthday celebrants, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Your turn. You guys tell me who's celebrating the birthdays today. Text me up 0910-6909-501. That's the official text digits for this radio show. Birthday shoutouts and whatever you want to send me. Just simply send them. Okay? 0910-6909-501. Save nyo na rin yung number na yan. No? Bare months na eh. Diba? There's gonna be parties here and there and everywhere. Mga kailangan kayo ng DJ to MC, DJ to sing, DJ to... I can do them all. DJ to do stand-up comedy. I'm also doing stand-up comedy. All right, for the meantime, here's Nick Cannon with his song. One of today's birthday celebrants, Nick Cannon. The song called My Wife, 895 Subic Bay Radio.